everyone, welcome back to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 8 Chapter 6 Squares and Square Roots Exercise 6.4 4th Sum and 5th Sum. See now question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. See now question number 1, 402. Now let us find the square root for this number. First what we have to do is write down the given number in pairs. So last two digits we made one pair. So we place here bar and here only one digit is there. We must leave it. Now we have to take square value. First digit is 4. So we have taken 2 square, that is 4. So 4 minus 4 we get remainder 0. Then write down the next pair 0, 2. Here 2 double value is 4. Single digit 2 is present. So we have placed here 0 and also in the quotient 0. So 40 zeros are 0. So 2 minus 0 we get remainder 2. By observing this we can understand that square of 20 is less than 402 by 2. If we subtract this remainder 2 from 402 we get the perfect square. Therefore, required perfect square is equals to 402 minus this remainder 2, that is 400. Therefore, square root of 400 answer is 20. See now, fourth question, second sum, 1989. Let us find square root for this number by using long division method. First, what we have to do is write down the given number in pairs. Here first two digits were 19. So we shall take 4 square, that is 16. 19 minus 16 we get remainder 3. Write down the next pair, that is 89. Now the number is 389. 4 double value is 8. Now let us multiply here by 4. Write down in the quotient also 4. 84 into 4, now we have to write. 4 4s are 16, so 6 carry 1. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33. Now we have to do subtraction. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. So we got here remainder 53. Clearly we can understand that 44 square is less than the given number 1989 by 53. Therefore, perfect square can be obtained by subtracting this 53 from 1989. Therefore, required perfect square equals to 1989 minus 53. That equals to 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 5, 3. Write on this 19. So, 1989 minus 53 we get 1936. Therefore, square root of 1936 answer is 44. See now fourth question, third sum, 3250. Let us find square root for this number. Write down the given number in pairs. Here first two digits were 32. So let us take 5 square. That is 5 5s are 25. Now subtract 32 minus 25 we get 7. Write down the next two digits. Now the number is 750. 5 double value is 10. Let us multiply here by 7. 107 sevens are how much? 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. 750 minus 749 we get a remainder 1. Clearly we can understand that square of 57 is less than 3250 by 1. If we subtract this 1 from 3250 we get the perfect square. Therefore, required perfect square equals to 3250 minus 1. That is 3249. Therefore, square root of 3249 answer is 57. See now fourth question, 825. Let us find square root for this number. Before that we have to write down the given number in pairs. So here the last two digits we made them as pair. Here one number only there. So leave it. Now we we have to write the square. So let us take here 2 square, that is 4. 8 minus 4, we will get 4 remainder. Write on the next 2 digits. Now the number is 425. 2 double value is 4. Now let us multiply by 8. So write on the quotient also 8. Now we have to multiply 48 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Write on 4 carry 6. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 6, that is 38. Now we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. 42 minus 38, we will get 4. So we got here remainder 41. Clearly we can understand that the square of 28 is less than 825 by 41. So if we subtract this 41 from 825, we get the perfect square. Therefore required perfect square equals to 825 minus 41. 5 minus 1, 4. 82 minus 4, that is 78. Therefore, square root of 784, answer is 28. See now fourth question, fifth sum, 4000. We need to find square root for this number. Let us write the given number in pairs. Here first 2 digits were 40, so let us take 6 square. 6 square answer is 36. 40 minus 36, we get remainder 4. Write down next 2 zeros. Now the number is 400. 6 double value is 12. Let us write here 3 and also in the quotient 3. Now 123. 3s are how much we have to find. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So 400 minus 369 we need to find. From 0 we can't subtract 9. Let us borrow from 4. This 0 becomes 10 and this 0 becomes 9 and this 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. So we got here remainder 31. Clearly we can understand that square of 63 is less than 4000 by 31. So we have to subtract this 31 from 4000 so that we get a perfect square. Therefore required perfect square equals to 4000 minus 31. So let us do subtraction. So from 0 we can't subtract 1. So let us borrow from this 4. First 0 becomes 10, remaining 2 zeros becomes 9 and this 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. Write on this 39. Therefore, square root of 3969, answer is 63. See now question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. See the first sum here, 525. Let us find square root for this number. Return the given number and make them into pairs. Here last 2 digits we made them as a pair. Here we left over with 1 digit before. So the first number is here 5. So let us take 2 square, that is 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Write on the next 2 digits. Now the number is 125. 2 double value is 4. Now we are going to multiply by 2. So we have written 2 here and also in the quotient 2. 42 2s are 84. 125 minus 84, we get the remainder 41. It is clear that this 22 square is less than 525. So we shall take 22 next digit, that is 23. Therefore next perfect square of 23 is 529. Hence the number to be added to 525 is 23 square minus 525. 23 square means 529 minus 525. 529 minus 525 we get here 4. Therefore, the required perfect square is 525 plus 4, that is 529. Therefore, square root of 529 answer is 23. See now fifth question, second sum. 1750. Find square root for the number 1750. We have written the given number in pairs. Now let us take 4 square. 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 16, we get remainder 1. Write the next two digits. Now the number is 150. See here, 4 double value is 8. Now we are going to multiply here by 1. 81 ones are 81. Now we have to do subtraction. Now we have to do subtraction here. 150 minus 81, that is 69. It is clear that 41 square is less than 1750. So we have to take 41 next perfect square. So next perfect square is 42 square, that is 1764. Hence the number to be added to 1750 is 42 square minus 1750. 42 square answer is 1764 minus 1750. We get the result 14. Therefore, the required perfect square is 1750 plus 14. That is 1764. Therefore, square root of 1764 answer is 42. See now fifth question, third sum, 252. Let us find square root for this number. We have written the given number in pairs. Now let us take here 1 square, that is 1. 2 minus 1, we get remainder 1. Write on the next two digits. Now the number is 152. 1 double value is 2. Let us write here 5 and also in the quotient 5. 25 is 125. Now let us do subtraction. 152 minus 125, we get the remainder 27. It is clear that 15 square is less than 252. So let us take 15 next number 16. So next perfect square is 16 square, that is 256. Hence the number to be added to 252 is 16 square minus 252. That is 16 square answer is 256 minus 252. We get 4. Therefore, the required perfect square is 252 plus 4, that is 256. Therefore, square root of 256 is equals to 16. See now fifth question, fourth sum, 1825. Let us find square root for this number. We have written the given number in pairs. Now let us take here 4 square, that is 16. 18 minus 16, we get remainder 2. Write on the next two digits. Now the number is 225. 4 double value is 8. Now let us multiply this by 2. 8 to 2s are 164. Now let us do subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. 22 minus 16, 6. So we got here remainder 61. It is clear that 42 square is less than 1825. Now we have to take 42 next number, that is 43. Next perfect square is 43 square, that equals to 1849. Hence the number to be added to 1825 is 43 square minus 1825, that is 1849 minus 1825, that equals to, we get here after subtraction answer is 24. Therefore, the required perfect square is 1825 plus 24, that equals to 1849. Therefore, square root of 1849 answer is 43. See now fifth question, 6412. Let us find square root for this number. We have written the given number in pairs. Let us take here 8 square. 8 8s are 64. 64 minus 64 we get remainder 0. Write down the next two digits, that is 12. 8 double value is 16. So we have written here 0 and also in the quotient 0. 160 zeros are 0. So 12 minus 0, 12. So we get here remainder 12. It is clear that 80 square is less than 6412. So let us take the next number for 80, that is 81. So next perfect square is 81 square, that is 6561. Hence the number to be added to 6412 is 81 square minus 6412, that equals to 6561 minus 6412, that equals to, after subtracting we get the result here 149. Therefore the required perfect square is 6412 plus 149, that is 6561. Therefore square root of 6561, answer is 81. Today we have seen class 8 chapter 6 exercise 6.4 fourth sum and fifth sum. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.